Hello students, how are you all? Students, I'm your social science teacher Jennifer Sana from St. John's High School. Students, today we are going to learn about materials. In our daily lives, we use many materials. The buildings we live, work, and play in are made of different materials. Children, I am going to explain you the definition of materials. A material is what an object is made of. Examples of materials are wood, plastic, metal, fabric, and so on. In this picture, you can see a pencil. A pencil is made of wood. So this is a material. Students, now I am going to explain you about the types of material. Some materials that we come across in our daily lives are wood, fabric, metal, paper, and plastic. Students, let's proceed to the examples of these materials one by one. Look at the picture, students. These objects are made of wood. Shed, pencil, bed, bookcase, chairs, side table, drawers, desk. These all are the things which are made of wood. These are the things which made of metal. Frying pan, nails, spanner, key, tin, tap, medal, saucepan, radiator. Most of the things of metal we use in our daily life, like frying pan, saucepan, tap, key. Let's proceed to the next example of paper. These things are made of papers. Book, calendar, box, magazine, card, envelope, invitation. We write invitation on a paper. So newspaper, letter, these all are the examples of a paper material. These things are made of fabric. These all things which you can see in this picture are made of fabric. These things are made of plastic materials. Toy car, dice, water can, party bag, kettle, Walkman, paddling pool, toy bricks, kitchen bin. In our daily life, we use kitchen bin, watering can, toy car. All the things you are seeing in this picture is used in our daily life. Students, now I am going to explain you about the properties of materials. Materials have different properties that make them suitable for different uses. Transparent materials. Transparent materials let light pass through them in straight lines so that you can see clearly through them. Examples: eyeglasses, a window pane glass, an aquarium. These are the example of transparent materials: clear glass, clean water, clear plastic. These are also the examples of transparent materials. The next is opaque. Opaque materials that are opaque let little or no light through. You are not able to see through these materials. Example: we use curtains from fabric because it is opaque. Waterproof. Materials that are waterproof do not let water through. Examples: nylon fabric is used to make tents because it is waterproof. Absorbent. Materials that are absorbent soak up water. For example, towels are made out of cotton fabric because it is absorbent. Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Magnetic materials that are attracted towards a magnet, and non-magnetic materials that are not attracted towards a magnet. Here is the example of magnetic material. This magnet attract to the kinds of steels, iron. These are the examples of non-magnetic materials: paper, glass, plastic, rubber, wood. These all are the examples of non-magnetic materials. Flexible and rigid. Flexible materials like cloth and paper are easy to bend. Rigid materials like glass and concrete cannot be bent easily. Sometimes the same material, plastic for example, can be flexible or rigid. Strong or weak, hard or soft. Strong and hard materials like rocks and stones are difficult to scratch or break. Something are soft. Something can be hard to touch but easy to break. For example, a glass jar is weak. If it is dropped, it will break. Students, now I am going to explain you about natural or man-made material. What are natural materials? Natural materials are materials that come from plants, animals and rocks. For example, leather comes from the skin of animals. So it is an example of natural material. Wood comes from a tree. It is also an example of natural material. What are man-made materials? Man-made materials are materials obtained from natural materials through chemical processes. For example, I have already told you that leather comes from the skin of animals, so it is a natural material. But when we make shoes, bags and jackets and belts from these leather, it becomes a man-made material. The same like wood is a natural material, but when we make paper, furniture and houses, it become a man-made material. These are the examples of natural materials and man-made materials. As I already told you that paper is made from wood. So wood is a natural material, and when we make paper from it, it become a man-made material. Here in this picture you can see a pair of shoes. So leather is a natural material. Student, this is your home task. What are things made of? Complete the sentences with the words from the box. Here are the objects and here are the materials. In objects, backpack, books, pencils, window markers. In materials, the words are fabric, plastic, wood, glass and paper. The first example has already solved. These cups are made of plastics. You have to recognize the picture, then you have to write the object over here, and then you have to write the material name. The second question is, draw and write the name of any 5 natural and man-made materials. Okay students, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Sir,